Welcome to Sacred Teachings. In today's video I will share with you my easiest 3-step process for fast manifestation. This is something that everyone can do, no fancy stuff here. However, main principles are the same for beginners and for advanced as well. You know, the universal laws never change. It is the technique that really can be different, Some things work better than others for different people. So learning this particular formula will help you manifest whatever you desire fast and also will give you strong fundaments for further development as you will understand the process principles. Let's begin. There is a 3-step formula. Step number 1 is writing a statement. Start by clearly defining what you want to manifest and write a statement in present tense including specific details. For example, I'm earning 10,000 euros per month. Also infuse your statement with positive emotions. Imagine how achieving this manifestation would make you feel. Remember that repetition helps reinforce the intention in your subconscious mind. You can write this statement on a piece of paper or on your smartphone, doesn't matter where. The key points here are adding positive emotions when reading and repetition. Second step is meditation to calm your mind. I have another video on my channel about easy body meditation which you can use, and I will also make guided meditation for calming mind in the near future. By the way, you can let me know how you like my previous guided meditations, and the point here is to clear mind from unnecessary stuff. You can do any meditation technique you like. However, for beginners I strongly advise body meditation, which I do until this day and works best for beginners and for the most advanced guys. And the third step is letting go of desire and attachment. After your meditation, release any attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe is working in your favor. Detach yourself from thoughts about when or how your desire will manifest. Each day feel gratitude for what you have in the present moment. For example, you can tell yourself, I'm thankful for affording an internet to watch YouTube videos whenever I like. As simple as that. This helps shift your focus from the lack to abundance. Also, be open to different ways your desire might come to you. Remember, letting go of expectations allows the universe to surprise you at any moment. Let me repeat that. Letting go of expectations allows the universe to surprise you at any moment. To summarize, have your statement written, add emotions when reading this, meditate to clear your mind from unwanted thoughts, and completely let go of desire. Trust the universe. Also, consistency and positive mindset are key elements in every manifestation process. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know in comment what you think about it, maybe share your experience with manifestation, and see you next time.